In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the App Store if it's missing on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, swipe through your home screen pages to see if the App Store icon is simply misplaced. If you cannot find it, head over to the App Library. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in App Store and search for it. With that, it might appear. If it does not appear, you can check the hidden folder at the bottom of the App Library page, since the App Store may be tucked in there. If it's not showing up anywhere, the next step is to check your screen time settings. For that, launch Settings, scroll down and head over to the option Screen Time. Now navigate to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is enabled, tap iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure installing and deleting apps are set to allow. If these are set to don't allow, the App Store won't appear anywhere on your device. After switching these settings back to allow, you will be good to go. App Store will be available in your device. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.